Hello, welcome to Art by Anna Marie. I'm Anna Marie, and I thought, in case you are new here, I might show you around my studio and kind of include you in a little bit of a day not a day in the life of, because we're not going to do my whole day, but definitely a behind the scenes look into some of the things that I do as a full-time artist. Here is the painting that I decided that I would paint with my students on the weekend. It is a gorgeous, easy, fun landscape, but I was thinking to myself, I might try a few other color combinations because not everybody likes the same kinds of colors. And I really like your input in this as well. So I've decided to go with a bit of orange instead of the pink. I absolutely love using orange in landscapes. I love the color orange. It's just a color that I just really connect with. So for one of my experiments, I'm thinking of going with a little bit of orange and turquoise. Color is really personal. It's not just that it can make you think of a place or a thing, it can also make you feel different ways. So all of your color choices are going to be unique. So for this one, I'm going to go in with the orange, and then this is a little bit of phthalo turquoise because it's really bright and it's a lot of fun, and it shows up really well on the camera. And when I'm teaching a lesson, a lot of the colors that I choose will actually also be for the students so that they can really see what's happening, because my lessons aren't about whether or not I can paint. My lessons are about whether or not I can teach painting. So I always do try to take my color choices into consideration. For the other one, it's really interesting. It's going to be magenta, which is kind of like, I don't know, would you say it's like a mix between a purple and a red, and indigo, so like a navy kind of blue. And I was really interested, you'll see this one at the end, I was really interested to see how this one turned out because they're really subdued colors. And for the painting that I have planned, I wasn't 100% sure if the subdued colors were going to work as much as the brighter orange and the brighter pink that I have for my reference image. So I'll often do little test pieces like this before the lessons that I teach, just to kind of check that I have in mind the exact steps. So even though I'll be teaching on the weekend and there's a few days left to the weekend, I like to have a few test pieces under my belt because live lessons can tend to go really quickly, and I like the instructions to be really clear. So while that's drying, we actually got a few orders through to the Art by Anna Marie site, so I'll just quickly package those up while these backgrounds are drying. Oh, it was the first one.
Awesome.
Awesome. Oh, number 8. Oh, I forgot we had these. These are so cute. Look at them. It's got a canoe on the top.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, that's a canoe. That's a dog. That's a person with a scarf. And look, 2 little cats at the front.
Oh yeah, action-packed.
So cute. All right, these are in the shop if you want to have a look at them. So cute. I never go through here. A new boat. I love that. All right, stay on task. This was right at the top.
It wasn't even planned.
No. That's it though? Nothing else in there?
No. How's that feel? Your first print packaged?
I package the prints all the time. Okay, I would love to know what you think. So I'm going to be painting this on the weekend. If you would like to come along, do click the link down in the description box below. You are more than welcome. This was my kind of main idea for the paint along, which is a really beautiful opera rose and a phthalo blue, so really bright colors. But I was also thinking that sometimes people have different colors and different tastes, so I wanted to try out these two colors as well. This is a phthalo turquoise and an orange, and this one is actually magenta and indigo. So I'd love to know in the comments which ones you are the most drawn to, or even if there is a different color combination you think that I should use or I should try. I would love to try your color combination. If you want to come along to this, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. If you're already an Unlimited member, then I will see you on the weekend because you're already coming. But also, if you're not a painter, this is going to be in my shop. So go ahead and check out my shop, which is in the description box below as well, and see if you can find some paintings that you like in there.